Hey everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and on today's Top 5 Tuesday, it's a little bit different. Obviously, it is Thanksgiving week this week, and so it's going to be a little bit of a short week. We will be out of the office on Thursday. We will be back on Friday. So if you guys are, shopping, we'll be shipping on Friday. But I wanted to pop on because let's talk about what we're grateful for just a second. And that's why I'm standing right here, because as many of you know, if you've tried to order springs in the past couple of months, it has been very difficult. Well, we just got a shipment, and this is just what you can see. The rest of the iceberg is down below. So we're going to be working on opening all these boxes and try to get some match springs going on for you. So if you've been waiting to get some matched valve springs, whether it's for a 602 or a 604 or even a 525, we just got the springs, and so we'll be working really hard to make that happen. I also want to mention that, wow, last week when I introduced the air filter shield from 5-Star and MD3 there, that I did not expect them to go flying out the door so quick, so we sold out right away. I've got some more on order, and we're going to do our best to try to get those back in stock. So right now I'm thankful for all of you, everyone who supports us here at Crate Insider, and that's just a really short update. Thanks you guys, and have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next week.